Danny from Jersey Village has tree worries.
Yeah, he's worried about these in particular around his house. He says it's a pin oak scarlet oak, right? And we just bought this house with 2 of them in front of the yard, and they're about 10 to 12 feet from the foundation. So, Tom, Danny wants to know, is that a distance he should worry about?
The rule is this: the mature spread of the tree is where it should be. Half of that should be away from the house, so it doesn't hang over the house. Okay. So you can research that. You can find out how to do it. At least keep them trimmed. I don't think you have a major problem yet. I think maybe down the road someday it could be more of a water issue.
Okay.
Where you get into watering systems, and you could use a root barrier. If you wanted to keep the trees now, I would call Due West. Mm-hmm. I would find out about a watering system, and I would also find out about a root barrier system.
Now, we're not talking about sprinklers.
No, we're talking about underground, around the foundation.
Okay.
And see what they would recommend if you want to really keep the trees. They're beautiful trees. It matches the house nice.
No doubt.
So I would call them and see what they would recommend, because 10 feet, they might be able to put a short root barriers between the house and the trees and not hurt the trees, and that way you can keep them.
Fair enough.
But keep them pruned, keep them fed, and keep them healthy. An unhealthy tree is what really causes problems.
Mm-hmm. You got it. And we want you to be healthy around your house with whatever you're working on, and that's why we're here. Tom's happy to help you. Just send us your questions. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom form in the middle of the homepage. Fill it out, send it in,
Ding.
and we'll answer it in one of these videos.